Hello and welcome back, you guys. And guess what? Today you guys are going to be a part of greatness because you guys are hanging out with me. If you guys don't know, my name is Nigel MrSchroeter. I bring you guys finance topics daily, and today, as you guys know from one of my nicknames, the Navy Federal King is coming here to drop some more Navy Federal information. Now, this is information y'all already heard on my channel a while ago, but I want to make sure that I made it as clear as possible. So, I had to bring this information back for you guys, make sure that I brought it to you guys, and I made it quick, clear, and concise because a lot of the times information gets thrown around, and it is not quick, clear, and concise, as well as it's it is recycled information that people think is new. So I want to make sure you guys hear it from the source and you guys hear it as well as possible. So a lot of people like these two cards right here. This is the Navy Federal Flagship and the Navy Federal More Rewards. So this is the Amex card, and this is the Flagship, which is the travel card. So this is the Amex card, which is going to be like your everyday card, 3% cash back on groceries and gas, and this card is going to be your Flagship, which is 3% back on travel, free TSA pre-check, and 2% back on everything else. This card gives you 1% back on everything else. So gas, groceries, and super, and all that good stuff will be 3%. But how can I get these two cards the quickest with the least tension in the Navy Federal ecosystem, right? So I dropped a video about this a while ago, and it was why you may want to call Navy Federal. So why you may want to call Navy Federal. You may want to call them because you could do what is called a product change. This is something that you can do not only with Navy Federal though. You can do this with Capital One. You can do this with Bank of America. A lot of different banks offer this. You can even do it with Wells Fargo, but be cautious because they will actually close out the old account and open a new account when they do this. So you don't necessarily, and they give you a hard inquiry for it. So you don't want to necessarily do that with Wells Fargo. It's more beneficial to just go ahead and open a new account and see if you get approved or not. So basically, you're just going to call them, and any Navy Federal card that you have at all, as long as it's not the secured card, you can actually get any of them product changed to this card, the More Rewards Amex. So any Navy Federal card you have, the Gold Rewards, the Platinum, the Flagship, the Cash Rewards, any card that you have, you can product change to a More Rewards. However, if the card has less than a $5,000 balance, it cannot be product changed to this card. And this card is the Flagship card, which is their big head honcho card. So again, you can get any card. You get a Cash Rewards card, from your M Rewards secured unsecuring. Now, once your card unsecured, boom, you go ahead and you product change that card. Now, you can product change it right over to being this card, this More Rewards card, or you can say, if you have a card that's over a $5,000 limit, you can transfer it over to being this Flagship card. So that's going to be the sweet deal that you guys have there. When you do that, Navy Federal also will drop your interest rate. A lot of the time, sometimes it will go up. It just depends on which card you're product changing to what. Like if you're product changing to Platinum, obviously your interest rate is probably going to go up. But if you're product changing a Cash Rewards, or More Rewards to a Flagship or something like that, then your interest rate will more than likely drop. So just pay attention to that, and call in, try it, see if it works for you, see what you guys can do with that. With that being said, as always, thank you all for tuning in. Thank you all for being a part of the family, and make sure that you guys are subscribed so that you get the best Navy Federal gems dropped here first. Because if you want to be able to get in on these gems and take advantage of all of these different tips, tricks, and hacks, make sure that you guys are tapped into this channel where it comes out. So as always, thank you guys for being a part of the family, and make sure that you guys share these videos out with everyone else and let them know where to come and get the gems first. Peace out.